Your first runner-up Miss Uganda 2024-2025 is Sureya Umoma.
I'm so grateful to God.
First, congratulations.
Thank you so much. I'm so grateful to God for this. I didn't expect it, but I'm also thankful to my parents. They've been such a great support system, all my friends and family, and also all the people that supported me. I'm thankful to the Miss Uganda organization for just honoring me with this title, and I hope to do my best with it and just
What should people expect you, mostly the girls, should expect from you?
they should expect a leader. I hope, leadership comes from God, and I pray to take on this journey with God through everything that I do and elevate the Miss Uganda organization in every way that I can.
And to the fashion industry, bakwambaza abakutaddeko ka makeup, engatto.
Yeah, special shout out and a special thank you to everyone, the industry, the fashion industry, the people that have done my makeup and hair. Thank you so much.
All right. Bwekyo bwe tubadde Wardrobe Extra UBC Star TV Miss Uganda 2024-2025.
In fifth position is Esther Chironde.
Round of applause for Esther Chironde.
In fourth position is Queen Letaru Priska. Your Miss Uganda second runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, is Joan Nabatan.
Pressure is showtime.
I'm going to
Pressure. Miss Uganda 2024-25. Buli omu anyweze munne, buli omu agumye munne. Those watching at home, this is the moment of the night, courtesy of
your first runner-up Miss Uganda 2024-2025 is Sureya Umoma. 2025 is Natasha Nyobozi.
Ladies and gentlemen, Natasha takes the crown of Miss Uganda 2024-2025.
Essomero erinaateekateeka omwana wo mu magezi n'okutya Mukama. Agape Christian Secondary School Ekyungu Mukono gy'oba omutwala.
Ssomero lya one A-level eri abawala n'abalenzi era nga lisomesa arts ne sciences.
Lyawandiisibwa Ministry y'ebyenjigiriza era nga lirina ne UNEB Center number.
Science ne Computer Laboratory zijjudde ebikozesebwa era nga balina ebyemikono saako eby'obulimi n'obulunzi.
Endabirira y'abaana nnungi n'ebyokwerinda biri gguluggulu. Anti-security cameras weeziri ku ssomero. Bafa ku bitone by'abaana okuyita mu kuyimba n'ebyemizannyo.
Balina bursaries okuva mu America ne mu Bwakabaka bwa Buganda. Agape Christian Secondary School basanga Ekyungu Mukono okyamira ku Bank of Africa kilomita 1.5 ng'otuuse.
Bakubire ku noti 771 214 592 oba noti 754 552 498.
Agape Christian Secondary School, trust in divine providence. Agape Christian School, that school.